This is Subfish's LL Beam. You got everything turned on? Turn everything off except for the headlights, AC, the wipers, everything, turn it off. It was missing when Debbie dropped it off this morning, okay? So we pulled it into the bay, it was still missing. It's got a code for cylinder 6. It's actually missing on every cylinder except for one. Number 1. 1383. We cranked it up a while ago, it was 14.1, 14.2, fluctuating. Nothing on now except for the daytime running lamps. Okay? So, everything on, flip it. AC, the wipers are on high beams. Drops down because the car's sucking electricity. The alternator is working. Whining, but it's working. Okay? So, alright, Tim, kill everything. Go back to the battery. Alright, 640 minimum. $840 at the battery. Now, at the alternator, on the case. $530. That is a big amperage drop. So the first thing we're going to do, because it started running even. The second time we cranked it up, it started running even. It's not missing at all right now. So we're going to fix the grounds and check everything again. Low amperage flow, poor voltage. Fuel pump's going to run slow. It's not going to provide enough pressure or flow to the injectors because it's missing on 5 out of 6. This engine's only been in this car since January. I can't remember what month I put this engine in, but when I put the engine in, a brand new spark plugs and everything was sealed up tight. There's not even an oil leak on this thing yet. And she says she's getting about 22 miles to the gallon. So, we'll check it again after we get done. What we're going to do, we're going to change that clamp on that battery. That ground right there is going to get cleaned. Going to run a ground cable over to the AC bracket. Going to clean that one. It runs to the injector cover right there. Load it up with corrosion, and that's the engine harness. ABS goes to the right there, and then you've got these back here, black with red, harness lug, and then there's another one down there. All going to get cleaned with the addition of a wire. Then we're going to do testing after we get done. It's going to be a good one. Alright, ground's on, running, wipers are on, the headlights are on, AC is on. Oh, and Dave, yeah, both lights come on. On high beam. So, that one, those, we're going to put some lacquer over that, don't worry about it. And a cable fixed here down the fender and down to the block. Alternator staying up where it's supposed to be. It's all good. So, go ahead and kill it, Tim. Well, I meant all the electrical. Oh. But that'll work. You got everything turned off, right? Keys off?
Yeah.
So it's 7:10 right now. Alright, so over. Big improvement. Now that's about 50 amps. Normal. So we're gonna go drive it. See if we can make it misfire, maybe hot rod around South Austin for a bit, get some lunch, whatever, and we'll see what happens. But I'm pretty sure that was the issue. Did find a loose ground on the engine block, and then with all the corrosion, the bad fittings and whatnot, you don't have enough electrical current for the fuel pump, the fuel injectors, the sensors on the motor. So it's not missing now. It's running smooth.